Okay, tonight's homework is 9-5. It is switching fractions between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So real quickly, just to give you a reminder of what that means, a mixed number means that you have a whole number, like the number 2, combined with a fraction, like 1/4. So if I had 3 pizzas here, but somebody ate 3 of the pieces of the other pizza, I now have 2 whole pizzas, 2 whole pizzas left, and I have 1/4 of another pizza left. So that's a mixed number. 2 and 1/4 pizzas. Okay. Now if I wanted to write that as a improper fraction, remember improper means not normal. An improper fraction means that the numerator, or the number on the top, is larger than the denominator, the number on the bottom. So if I was to write this as a mixed number, each one of I'm going to go ahead and divide these whole pieces into quarters. So each piece is 1/4 of a pizza. And so each of these pieces is still 1/4, so I'm going to keep my denominator the same. They're all fourths, but how many of those fourths do I have now? I'm going to count them up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 fourths. So this number is a mixed number. This number is what we call an improper fraction. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 2 problems for you real quick just to get you started on your homework, and then you can do the rest at home. Okay, but number 1 is 3 2/5. Again, this is a mixed number, and what we're going to do is we're going to convert it to an improper fraction. So we're going to switch it around. So I'm going to write that on a bigger piece of paper so you can see it better. It's 3 2/5. Okay, so the way we're going to convert that now, what we do, first we times, then we add. That's what I taught you. First we times, then we add. So when we're converting it from a mixed to an improper, the first thing we do is the denominator is always going to stay the same. Okay, so first we times. 5 times 3 is 15, and then we add the top. So 15, 16, 17, and that's our numerator. So 17/5. This is now an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. That is improper. Okay, so first we times, then we add, and the denominator stays the same. So if you want to do it on the back or on another piece of paper, you want to do this on the other piece of paper, that's fine. So 17/5. Now real quickly, I'm almost out of time here. I'm going to go ahead and do number 5, which means that we're switching it from an improper fraction, and it's improper because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we're going to switch it from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So again, I'm going to do that on another piece of paper here. So I'm going to write it down. 12/5 I'm going to convert to a mixed number. So the way I do that, and this is what I taught you this morning, it's like you come up here, this is a tower, you flick that top number, you flick the top number, and it falls down, and you write it as a division problem. So 5 divided by 12. We flicked that 12 and knocked it over and turned it into a division problem. Okay? So the 5 goes into 12 how many times? It goes into it twice. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we subtract. We get 2 as a remainder, but here's what we do. We take that remainder, we put that as the numerator on the top, and then the denominator is going to be this 5 again. So we just switch that from an improper fraction to a mixed number. 5, it's going to be 2 2/5. Okay? My time is almost up here, so I just want to wish you guys good luck. You should be able to do this. If you need to, go back and watch this video a couple times. Thank you.